Come unbox this automatic cat feeder with me. I have 2 mature cats and always need a good product to help automate, especially when we're not home or we're out late, and to have a product that will dispense the food for us while we're away is life-saving. It comes in bubble wrap. This is a 7-liter timed cat dry food dispenser. Here's the tray. The tray is stainless steel, so very high quality, and it also comes off from the main tray, so easy cleanup. Like this, it has the hooks for it to go on here. Here's what the dispenser looks like with the lid. That comes with a manual. It comes with a USB charger as well. How to assemble this cat feeder, automatic cat feeder. So once this has been charged, there's a charging port right here where you enter in with the cable that it provides. All right, and then it has a little little dent in here where the cable goes in, and then on this side it has a little hook for the tray where it goes like this. So you got your top. And then right over here is your canister where you put the food in. 7-liter canister. You gotta twist it in place. All right, and then you need to plug this in. It's a very long cord, which is really nice. All right, so over here, they're so excited to eat, but the button that's blinking right here, you need to, if you want to manually put in, have it to dispense food, you need to press it twice and it'll turn green. 1, 2. And this is about how much food it has dispensed. And the nice thing about this is that it has a little clear section and you can tell how much food you actually put in there.